You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to save a post on Reddit. First, navigate to Reddit on your web browser or open the official Reddit app on your phone. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Browse through your feed or a specific subreddit until you find a post you want to save for later on the website. Look underneath the post title for a row of options like comments, share, and award. Find and click the option that says save. The text will change from saved to saved, indicating the post has been added to your saved items. On the Reddit mobile app, the process is identical. Tap the three vertical dots underneath the post to open a menu, then select Save from that list. To view all your saved posts later, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the website and select Saved from the drop-down menu. In the mobile app, tap your profile icon, then tap on Saved in your profile menu. You're saved. Posts will be displayed in a list, organized with the most recently saved at the top. You can unsave any post at any time by going back to the post and clicking the Saved button again, which will remove it from your saved collection. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.